This video guide is about removing the browser notifications and pretty scary alerts that are related to the site Mydefensivesoftcom. Mydefensivesoft.com is a website that now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The website displays pretty scary alerts that try to encourage visitors into downloading and installing some software. These fake alerts tell people that their computer is horribly infected with some virus and that they need to download some tool to get the computer fixed. The reality is that interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous, and if you click on the Proceed button, you may be brought to some other shady sites that may eventually infect your system with potentially unwanted programs. So please do not interact with these pop-ups, Mydefensivesoft.com. They also try to make you click on the Allow button to make you subscribed to the push notifications, but it's also a mistake, and if you have clicked on Allow, you should fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. At this point, pay attention to the sites that are permitted to show notifications. When you find this site, Mydefensivesoft.com, you should remove it from the list and remove other malicious websites too. Now, to make sure that your device is free of other threats, I strongly advise researching with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching your device to detect and eliminate all other threats from your computer effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.